guys, hello and welcome back to BhushanDroid. How are you all doing? I hope you're all fine. So yeah, in this video we'll be talking about Jio Reviews and the way data packets are being referred via Jio and other networks. So we'll be talking about Idea, Airtel and Vodafone, their data rates and data pack cost and probably the costing of Reliance Jio. So it's like for a GB you have to pay rupees 250 or more than that in Idea, Airtel or Vodafone. Yeah, for you, if you're using this 4G you have to pay that much, and if you're using it 4G, that to 2 GB is somewhat nearer to how it's a 450 or even more than that, could even be crossing 500. Yeah, so and if you're using a Geo, it's like just in rupees 50 you're able to get a GB of data, and that's really amazing. And that too, if you're using it at night, it's absolutely free. Jio offers you free data at night time, so that's really amazing. And the biggest deal is like Jio will be offering you all a free data bundle till the 31st December. So if you wanna enjoy that, you will enjoy it on your 4G. Jio will be transmitting your voice calls over 4G, and therefore they will be in HD quality, and that's the key point of Jio's SIM card. And like if you can use the Jio SIM card in a VoLTE enabled device, that's a 4G device. It's like VO is voice over LTE. It's a 4G device, and therefore you need a 4G device for running your Jio SIM card. So for running your Jio SIM card, a 4G device is a must. There's a thing that Jio is transmitting over 4G. So Jio didn't bother to set up its 2G or 3G networks. It directly set up its 4G networks all over the India. You can't make calls if you don't have your 4G device. Jio is working on that. Jio is creating its own app where you could even make your calls even if you don't have a 4G device. Jio is working on its app, and sooner it will be launched. I think it is already launched, and they are working on that. If it goes right, everything will be fine. There's no problem into that. All that Jio makes it up to everything, and it will be a really great deal for everybody here, cause Jio has driven all the people here crazy, really crazy in India, and all are behind the Jio. It's like a tough competition for other telecoms circles here. That's Airtel, Vodafone, Airtel, and everybody around here has a tough competition with Reliance Jio. It's like Reliance has set its 4G networks throughout India. It has never bothered for 2G or 3G, and therefore they have this 4G network. And 4G is basically used for internet purposes by other networks, and 2G and 3G are used for calling and texting purposes. That's the messaging purposes. Whereas in Reliance, you won't find that. In Reliance, 4G is the ultimate, and it transmits its data at the various specialized bandwidth, and it transmits its data on a frequency band that is 2300 megahertz. While interacting over calls, you'll be utilizing your voice calls through that 4G network, and there's like a lot of data will be utilized while doing that. And therefore guys, and we know that there's one thing now about Jio, and that is you can't insert Jio SIM card in any other device except the 4G device. If you try to do that, it won't work actually, and because is not capable of having those 2G and 3G networks. It's directly linked with the 4G network, and they have their own 4Gs, and therefore is only capable of having with the 4G device and 4G VoLTE enabled devices, because that will make voice quality a real HD, and therefore that's really amazing. But remember guys, you need a 4G enabled device for Jio SIM card. Actually, and if you go in a place where 4G of Jio is not available, Jio will be transmitting your network to any other network which is available at that point, and it's 2G or maybe 3G, but it's not like you are not gonna need your 4G device. It is like you will definitely need your 4G device. Reliance is trying to make an app so that all those other who are not 4G enabled can even use that. But let's check that out. If everything is going fine, it's really amazing for everybody and it'll be really helpful, guys. So that is all, guys. Let's see what it takes us to all. That will be really fun. Till then, bye bye. Keep smiling.